It's raining outside, but I had to put the sprinkler on because we're not getting enough water, enough rain. I'm like, you would not dry out my seeds. Okay. Okay. So we got a nice little tomatoes growing, hot peppers, banana peppers, hot cayenne peppers, jalapeno peppers, some lovely celery, snow peas, snap peas back there in the back. We got the lettuce. Yeah, y'all. Grow your food. It gives you peace of mind and a little bit more independence. It's a skill that you want. All right, we got lettuce here. And as you can see, we got lettuce growing right here. Hello, lettuce. And right there. We have bell peppers. And bell peppers. And some good old lettuce. Yes, I'm outside. Basil. Cilantro. I have to put these marigolds in the garden. You put them in the garden and it keeps aphids and certain bugs away off of different vegetation that would try to aphids, like your greens and kale. And we have parsley and spinach, heirloom spinach. Yep. So just thought I'd share with you. And we have more of our basil growing. And in the back we have, let me show you. It's raining. I'm happy it's raining because that's free water. Yep. And we have a rain barrel too. We got green onions. We got some new ones growing in here. Yep. And we have some green onions here. I just thought I'd share this with you all because growing your own food is so important. At least you know what you're eating. We get organic, non-GMO seeds, red potatoes, Yukon Gold, and purple potatoes over here. But yeah, we get, we got the sucker that catches this rain barrel bucket here. But once again, taking care of your gut, getting the healthy foods that you can. You say, oh, it's expensive. Watermelon. We have 2 plants growing. Hello. Oh, we can't ignore this big baby right here. That's my elderberry tree. Oh yeah. Colds and flus. We have to fight the squirrels because they like it too. They know what's good for you. But anyway, like I said, you want to know what's on your plate, what you're putting on your plate, and it's very how can I put it, satisfactory, a feeling of satisfaction knowing that you're giving yourself good foods. Okay, you say it's expensive. We got cucumbers and tomatoes over here. Swiss chard is on its way up. Can't see anything right now. And we have some turnips. But yeah, you talk about it's expensive, it's expensive, it's expensive. It is expensive now, especially with inflation. And that's no good for the nervous system, stressed out on how you're going to feed yourself. Just want to show you right here. Stressed out, how I'm going to feed myself, how am I going to feed my family, how am I going to feed, no. Do what you can, learn, okay? Okra. We have green beans. We're still waiting for them to come up. Yeah, but yeah, it's time to flip the switch and turn that worry into some power and empower yourself by learning how to take care of yourself one plant at a time. Okay? One plant at a time. Going back in the house. Okay? One plant at a time. Learn how to take care of yourself. Because it's not going to get any easier anytime soon. So they say. And who gives a care? Maybe it will. But at least you have gained the skill and you know how to take care of yourself. Okay? So with that said, guys, thought I'd show you that I'm still growing been quite busy, and sitting here with my plants. As you can see, we have plants in the house. Some of them suffering. One was outside. That's why that leaf is like that, brown. Oops. Little water jugs. But anyway, take care of yourself. Empower yourself by learning how to grow plants, grow your food. It's nothing more empowering than that, and knowing that you're not going to starve. Okay, so go ahead, take care of yourself, take care of your family, have some peace of mind, and work on gaining more skills, learning new things, and those things that will help feed you, help bring in money. You know what I'm saying? So let's concentrate on those things that bring in money, that can help feed us, and heck, you might have to help somebody else. All right, I'm gonna let y'all go. Till next time, love your body, take care of your body, and remember the answers are truly in the earth. Peace.